I bought a chest freezer and I started doing cold plunges because I'm an entrepreneur, which in my world, it is a fancy word for a struggling business owner. I got lots of mornings with anxiety, racing thoughts, etc., which pushed me to reevaluate many things in my life. The cold plunge was a significant addition into my arsenal to stay sane while building the business. And I want to share with you that for me, this was a game changer. I remember the feeling when I was just getting into the freezer. It was extremely uncomfortable. But when I was getting out of it was amazing. You know, that amazing feeling that you won, like that you got this. Nothing to worry about. Everything's good. Everything's going to be great. That's the feeling that you get. Just that reward and motivation, satisfaction when you're coming out of it. It's an amazing feeling. So for me, it was a great addition. It helps me take control of my thought process, my mood, my emotions, which is directly related to winning the day. All right, grinders. See you later. Cheers.